All right, guys, I did a couple of trades and I want to do the recap. One of them was opening range breakdown on NIO. NIO, our favorite stock in the EV sector. Did a really nice, beautiful 5-minute opening range breakdown. And when we had a couple of levels down here and it almost touched all of those levels, and we could really make a good profit out of those levels. My entry was after minute number 3. I really didn't catch the 1 minute opening range breakdown, but setup was really ready for, what was that? Sorry. Setup was, wait. What? Sorry about that, technical problem. Are you kidding me? This is just, okay. Yeah, so setup was ready for a 1 minute opening range breakdown. Although the stock was gapped up by that time, I mean, really sold it in the first minutes. You know, we had these moving averages. You know, really couldn't be better than that. You know, you could really take it. I think Brian took it. Did you take that, Brian?
No, I
don't think you did. Anyways, so it came down. So I kind of chased it, but because they were so close to this important level, I had the confidence that it go down. It did break and then came back up and it stopped me out the break even. And that's very painful because as soon as it stopped me out, it just came back down. But I got back in there. As soon as I saw with volume, we were cracking this 46.50 and I saw weakness in the price action, I just got back in there at 46.40. And this time, what I did this time again just from 46.30 all the way up to 45, and then it came back up. I got out. I don't know why I got out for some reason, because I think Brian went long here. I got out, but I could really hold it all the way to the break even. So that was my entry, so I could easily hold it. But as soon as it's coming down, so I just get back in there short with a stop loss above maybe this moving average, and this is what happened. This is. Yeah, so it just came down all the way. I was hoping to get to 45, but we never get it to the 45. And yeah, so and then I came back at the break even. So the trade management for me is I partial out at 10%, and then everything would be at the break even. My stop loss would be at the break even. Then I had actually 2 reversal attempts on it. So, you know, after it sold off heavily all the way up to this 44.80. Oh, actually, did I take it again? Oh yeah, I did take it again. So yeah. So I did take it short again at 45.38 after it came down for, you know, failed to go up. Another short 45.38 all the way up to this level that we had at 44.86. And then we tried to take a reversal on it, both Brian and I. So we tried to take a reversal on that. So we saw that, you know, 5 minutes are getting slowly, you know, the 15-minute chart was getting, let me bring the 15-minute chart here too. So yeah, so 15-minute chart was slowly going toward, you know, making a new high. So I decided to take it long, but it was a little bit immature. Popped up, sold some, and got stopped out. And then it became the booty reversal. That's the strategy that we teach in the community. So let me get out a little bit here, sorry. So that's the strategy that we teach in the community, a booty reversal. When the crossover of the moving averages is happening, so as you see, just like a, you know, it's just like a boot. It goes up, and I'm already still long in there. Yeah, so I'm still long here, and I'm just trying to, you know, get maybe a little bit of a above Viva. All right, guys. So thank you so much. I had a really good day, and I'll CP Capital Traders right now in the room, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Tonight is tonight. I think we have the webinar. So this is Wednesday. We have the psychology webinar, I think we have, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. Anyways, we'll see you tonight. Yeah. Oh, Credish is coming at 5 p.m. Not 8 p.m. because Credish is in Portugal, so it's on the Eastern time zone. It's Europe time zone, so it's too late for her if she wants to come at 8 p.m. And she's coming, you know, at 10 o'clock her night. So, you know, coming and showing up, and she's an amazing coach. She's an amazing performance coach. And you know, but showing up, you actually show some love, and you know that you care about her presentation. See you guys this evening on this. Cheers.
Yeah. See you guys.